Welcome back to Trial and Timber. In this video I'm going to build a scrap wood store out of all the scrap wood that I've got in my garage. Hopefully if I can get it all outside it will give me a bit more room in the garage for some future projects. So let's have a look at what we're working with. As you can see, I am currently struggling for space in the garage, and there's lots of future projects I want to do, including making a mobile workbench. So I need to clear all of this out and get rid of all of that in the end as well to make some more space. The only thing I bought for this project that I didn't have before was some roofing felt, because it's going to go outside. Let's go and take a look where it's going to go. So the plan for this project is to build a wood store that comes up to just below the window, approximately 2 meters across, and come back down again, and sticks out about 2 foot, about 60 centimeters. .130, puts us on that line there, just underneath the windowsill. But due to the slope of the ground, the driveway drops away. 120 there. So the 4 exterior legs that I need, I've got 3 boards there from a pallet that are 120 centimeters, so they'll be perfect. And I need to chop one that's 130 centimeters out of this big beam here for where the floor drops away. Measure these pieces of structural bits of pallet at 60 centimeters, because these are what I'm going to use for the supports that come out. These are the feet that's going to touch the floor, and I want 5 centimeters off the floor from one set of the legs. Now this one's going to be naturally higher anyway because it's down the slope of my drive, so I think I need 15 centimeters up here. This is about a 10 centimeter drop. So if I do 15 centimeters up here and then screw this bottom batten on, we should be something like what we need to have. And I've said this before, nothing beats a good screw. Now time to attach the other side. So there's the next frame. I've just got a couple of these long pallet boards. I'm going to de-nail, not the nails out. I'm going to screw that across the bottom just to give it a bit of strength at this moment of time, and maybe stop it from blowing around, and then I can build it in situ then. So I've had a middle section there, got support at the bottom, support in the middle, the legs both sides. I kind of need to put some bracing on the back to kind of stop it twisting, but it's starting to set shape now, and it's significantly stronger. I just want to put some extra lats in now. I've decided to add this extra structural support to the front. I can chop this down to height, and then we're actually going to do the roof in 2 pieces with a join in the middle. Put a beam across to support it, and then felt all the way across. So I've already attached the left-hand side, just need to trim it. Just going to attach this side now, and before anyone asks, no, it's not big enough to do one span. That's why it's in 2 pieces. But I wanted the join in the middle where the struts were. So it's now time to get this bit screwed on, and I'm going to trim it straight off. Ironically, it's just started raining just before I've managed to actually finish the roof. I have to wait for it to stop raining now. I've put this cross bracing on the back just to help with twisting of the frame, and then inside I've just added a beam just there to support the gap in the roof. Just need to level out this bit, and then we're good to put the roof felt on. So here it is, a finished scrap wood store made from scrap wood. Because I've never done a roof before, nor do I really know how it fits. But from afar, yeah, it will serve the purpose. I'm quite impressed with that. Need to get it in its new home. And there's my finished wood store. I've still got plenty of wood in the garage, so I'm probably going to have to revisit this either with a Mark II or an additional or something new somewhere in the garden. But there's a lot of scrap wood in there and it's freed up quite a bit of room in the garage. Thank you very much for watching this scrap wood store build from lots of pallet woods. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.